This video focuses on the troubleshooting guide for the E4 problem of the front-load washing machine. Cause summary: E4 alarm, water inflow timeout alarm, means that the water inflow of the washing machine fails to meet the standard requirements within the programmed time. The reasons for these problems are: 1. The water doesn't fill in. 2. The water fills in slowly. 3. The water fills and drains at the same time. Solution: First, check whether the tap is on and whether the water pressure is normal. Open the connecting end of the faucet and the water inlet pipe. Check whether the faucet is turned on, and then check whether the water pressure is normal. Then, open the connection end between the inlet pipe and the washing machine, and check whether the inlet valve is blocked. If it is blocked, please clean it. After ensuring the normal water inflow of the washing machine, check whether water fills and drains at the same time. If the problem exists, it means that your washing machine is in the upper drainage mode. Please readjust the drain pipe of your washing machine to ensure that the suspension height is 80 to 120 centimeters. If the above instructions still fail to solve the problem, or there is water leakage in other parts of your washing machine, please contact our higher customer service